everyone. I'm Jomari Onisoka from HMS 1A and welcome to today's presentation. In hospitality industry, technology plays a crucial role in delivering excellent service, but it also comes with security challenges to protect business tools and customer data. And hotels must implement strong security measures. In this video, we'll discuss 3 essential security tools that can help hotel operation safe and efficient. Let's get started.
First question, what recommendation can you make with regards to the 3 issues and concern of information technology in the hospitality industry?
So, what recommendation can I make with regards to the 3 issues and concern of information technology in the hospitality industry? By enhancing data security and privacy, business should implement strong cybersecurity measures like encryption, firewalls, and multi-factor authentication. Regular security audits and employee training on data protection can also help prevent cyber threats. Second, minimizing system downtime and technical failures. Hospitality businesses should invest cloud-based solution, automatic backups, and 24/7 IT support. Regular maintenance and software updates can reduce system crashes and service interruptions. And lastly, managing high implementation costs. Companies can adopt cost-effective IT solutions such as cloud-based and subscription-based softwares. Implementing technology phases and prioritizing essential upgrades can help manage costs and efficiently.
The second question is, how can business owners or managers ensure that business tools are used properly by their employees?
Business owners and managers can ensure that business tools are used properly by their employees through training, monitoring, and clear policies. First, they should provide comprehensive training to help employees to understand how to use tools efficiently and securely. Second, they should implement regular monitoring and feedback to identify issues and offer guidance. And lastly, setting clear usage policies and guidelines ensure accountability, while periodic evaluation and updates keep employees aligned with best practices.
The third question is, identify 3 security tools that are ideal in keeping the tools and technology in hospitality industry. Explain which department in the hotel the said security tools will be useful and how.
Here are 3 essential security tools and ideal for protecting technology in the hospitality industry, along with their application in different hotel departments. First, firewall and antivirus software, useful for first desk and IT department. How it helps: firewalls and antivirus software protect hotel and computer and networks from malware, hackers, and cyber threats. The front desk relies on secure system to handle the guest reservation and payments, while the IT department ensure that all hotel networks remain safe from cyber attacks. Second one, access control system, useful for housekeeping and security department. How it helps: access control systems such as keycard, entry, and biometric authentication prevent unauthorized access to guest rooms, storage areas, and restricted zones. The housekeeping team ensure only unauthorized staff can enter rooms, while security departments monitoring access logs and suspicious activity. And lastly, data encryption and secure Wi-Fi, useful for accounting and guest services. How it helps: encrypting customer data and securing hotel Wi-Fi prevents data breaches and protects financial transactions. The accounting department secures financial records, while the guest services team ensure internet access for visitors, reducing the risk of cyber threats. By using these security tools, hotels can safeguard both customers' information and internal operation, ensuring a safe and seamless experience and guests and staffs. that's all. Thank you.